This video introduces the features of the Phillip Nova platform. Click the first icon on the top right to enlarge and to shrink the chart. Second icon is to change the chart panel to either place order or market depth panel. Third icon is to change the font size. Next, change the platform settings by clicking this icon. You can turn on the notification sound and change the language preference. If there is any announcement, we will show it here. To log out the platform, click the last button at top right. Let's move down a little bit. You can change the chart time frame from 1 minute to a day. Prices are based on real time, and you can select the indicators you need. Pick your types of chart and change your chart and cursor setting here. Open your trading dialog here if it is disappeared. Next is to stay in drawing mode. Click again to leave. Click this icon to select the type of drawing you want, and click in the next icon to remove all drawings or indicators. In the bottom panel, you can monitor your working orders, which have not yet been completed and are currently queued. Completed Order tab is to see your completed order. The Open Position tab indicates that the position you entered has not yet been closed. Next is the Price Alert tab, where you can monitor and modify alerts for your active trading products. You can click on the contract, adjust the setting, and create price alert. The News tab provides the latest news, including stocks and commodities. At the bottom of your screen, showing your account and equity summary. Change your currency setting at this part. The account balance shows the amount you carried from yesterday, meaning it is the balance at the start of today. Realized P&L is the profit or loss on your completed trade. Unrealized P&L refers to the current profit or loss on an open position. Account equity is the total balance after adding or subtracting unrealized gains and losses. Initial margin is the upfront cost of buying a contract on the futures market, and the amount varies depending on the product. Available margin refers to the remaining fund you can trade for the day.